baby, your body's on fire. Yeah, body's on fire. Oh, baby, your body's.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if y'all new, then welcome. Today I decided to do a look that's very different. I've never done a look like this on my channel before, so I hope you guys like it, and if you would love to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye my loves. I'm gonna start off by priming my eye with my Makeup Revolution in C13, I believe. And then I'm just going to blend this concealer in to prime my eyelids with my Real Techniques medium shadow brush. I'm going to start by going in with my Real Affair palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to be taking the shade Crown. And I wasn't sure like what I was doing at first. Like I just freestyled this. So I'm just doing the same exact steps that I've done on the other eye. So I just started off by using a flat eyeshadow brush and just put that in the beginning of my eye, because like I said, I was not sure what I was doing at first. And then I'm going to take shade Monarch, this green shade right here, because I'm putting that in my crease. And I'm using my M433. And I'm going to just pat that on in the crease. Lightly blend it right here in the beginning. Blend that out. And then I'm going to take my M507 brush, and it's just a denser blending brush. And I'm taking this yellow shade out of the Morphe palette. And I'm just going to blend that on top of that green to blend that out more. I wish I wore lashes, because I know it would take this look from nice to wow. Like lashes really make the eye look completely different. But I don't wear lashes, so there's that. And I'm going to take that green shade again and just put that all over my lid. And this flat shadow brush makes it look like I cut the crease, even though I didn't. I'm going to take that M507 brush again. And I'm going to be taking this green shade right here to go over, blending this out. I'm going to go back in with that dark green, that Monarch. And blend this out. I don't think I took as much green as I did over there. Now I have to fix this. I'll take Monarch on the outer corner to blend in that yellow. Just blending that yellow back over green. Now I'm going to take my NYX Vivid Brights Vivid Halo liner in yellow. I'm going to put a line right where the crease would be. Then I'm going to blend it in with that green again. kind of diffuse that line because I don't want it like boom. I'm just going to blend that green on the end of that liner and above the liner. I'm going to take my NYX liner in black. And I'm going to take that yellow and put it on top. And I got that everywhere, so I'm going to take my black liner. Now I'm going to put my mascara on. So my eyes are done. I'm going to take off this red scarf because I feel like it's throwing it off. Just a little bit. Okay, girl. To prime my face, I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It just got everywhere. I'm using my natural light, so, and a little bit of light from my ceiling, so I'm hoping this is looking good. And I have to mix foundation because your girl got a little tan, okay? I ain't gonna brag or nothing, but but I'm taking my Lancome 460 Suede. And I have to mix it in with my Maybelline foundation in Coconut. I actually like the formula of these two and the shade of these two, so yeah, I'm digging that. You're gonna be my perfect summer shade right now. I think I just got it on my hair. And then I'm gonna take my Real Techniques blush brush, which is amazing to blend out your foundation. For concealer, I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn to correct. And then I'm gonna go in with NARS to actually brighten. And I'm taking my Real Techniques sponge. And I'm taking my NARS concealer in Caramel. And this is to actually brighten. And then to just make sure everything's blended, I just like to take my brush again on those edges of that concealer, just to make sure everything like looks all tied together. Then I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm gonna press this into my skin. Now I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's Cocoa Naughty. I'm taking Morphe in 405. This bronzer is amazing. I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. Deep. With my Real Techniques brush. We don't want flashback. Now I'm going to take that green again and line my under eye. Put mascara on. Just going to spray my face. The best setting spray right now. Highlighter, I'm gonna take ColourPop's. For the lips, I'm just taking my Jouer Lip Enhancer. Nothing special. And I'm also gonna take my liner by NYX and Coco.